Brand new product from Prost Lighting, the MoonDot, and man, it looks familiar. We're gonna talk about it, we'll dive into all the details, and we're gonna do it right now. What's going on, everybody? Justin Schwartz here, coming at you as always from the lovely DJs Guru studio. And today we're talking about the Prost Lighting MoonDot Set of 4. And like I said, yes, it looks familiar, this tiny, very powerful light. We're gonna dive into all the details. But before we do, make sure you're checking us out at thedjsguru.com. Also, give this video a like, we always appreciate that. And consider subscribing to our page here. We would love to see you back here again. Now, I think it's best to go through all the details and kind of showcase this with the lights off. So let's do that, and we'll kind of give you a demo and talk about everything that this tiny but mighty little MoonDot is going to be able to do for you. Okay, so let's go through some of the colors so you can see them, and I'll do some of the functionality of the remote control here. So as you see here, you have a group option right now. I have them all on group 1, which allows me to black it out, turn them on and off right there, all with the flip of a switch here, doing them all from the remote at the same time. You have color control here, which is going to go from your cool white here, which is number 1, and then it's going to go through all these different colors. So greens, you got reds, you got variations of these different colors together. Nice pink with a blue kind of a shade to it, and then it ends here with this nice blue as well. So those are your different colors. You can cycle through those. All right, so if you hit this microphone button here, as you see, you can start to get a little bit of a pattern going, and then you can hit the slow to fast button, which is going to give you different speed increments. Right? And you can change the colors at the same time. And then you've got a brightness level here, which you can make it brighter or dim it down, whichever you're going to want to do, and black it out. The set of 4 comes with 4 of these lights. It comes with this cool RF remote. It comes with a USB plug with 2 outlets in there, and then 2 splitters, so you can actually plug all 4 into one outlet, which is pretty cool. The included lens here that's on there is the Fresnel lens, which gives you that wonderful V shape, but it also comes with frost filters if you want to get kind of a low-lying wash. So the specs, you're looking at, again, the smallest footprint you're going to find for a light that's going to have this type of output. It's one single 15-watt LED diode. It's red, green, blue, and cool white, which is going to give you about 20 different color variations. Very, very cool. It does have wireless control with the RF remote here, and like the Ape remote, which is the Ape Labs version of this light, it does give you the ability to group the lights. So you can control all 4 of them from one group at the same time, or you can control individual lights separately from the remote if you want to do something different. Of course, if you're buying more than one set of 4, let's say you have 16 of them, you could control them individually that way as well with the grouping. So because this footprint is so small, there's really an endless amount of things that you can do with this light. Many people will use it for backlighting. You can use it for facades, DJ booths, DJ furniture. We've had people purchase the lights like this to use underneath plexiglass and create actually LED dance floors. So having a light that has this small of a footprint really does give you a really tremendous amount of options. One other thing to note here is that there is a magnet on the bottom, so you can actually connect this to something metallic and have it stick, and you can do forward lighting, dance lighting, or you can even do down lighting as well, which is pretty cool. All right, everybody, so what did you think? That is the Prost MoonDot Set of 4. We talked about all of the details, and we hope you got a lot out of it. Once again, make sure you're checking us out at thedjsguru.com. Consider giving this video a like, and also consider subscribing to our page here. We would love to see you back here again. We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making it. And like I always like to say, we'll see you on the flip side. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.